Hi, I'm Clay Carlino, and I'm in the process of changing my power steering pump on my 2000 Dodge Dakota. And I was doing a full video on this process, but I ran into several complications which just ruined the video. So instead, I'm doing this quick tip, which hopefully will help you not run into some of the same problems that I did, or at least one of them. Quick video. In the process of removing this pump, it was right here, right in here, just like that, pretty much. Held on with a bracket, which you can see here. Now, the videos that I've seen say that you can pull the pulley. You can see I've already got the new pump in place. So the videos that I've seen say that you can pull the pulley off and then take these bolts out and remove the pump. I found that there was not enough clearance between my manifold and this bracket to get the pump out. So I ended up having to take out this mounting bracket as well, which comes out with these two large screws, which will go into these holes here, and they align there and there. And then these studs, which go in here and in here, and they align there and there. Now, don't be deceived, because after these studs are mounted, then there's a bracket just like this, which goes on over top of those studs, and then there's two more nuts like these. So when you pull these nuts off, that's not enough to loosen this mounting bracket. You have to take off those nuts and then this bracket, and then unscrew those nuts, and that will take this mounting bracket off, and you'll be able to remove the pump just fine. Now, if your truck does have enough clearance, then that's awesome. But if you find that you're in the process of trying to take that pump off and it just doesn't quite want to come out, then that's what you're going to have to do. So hopefully this is helpful, and enjoy. Have fun. This is Clay Carlino telling you to be brave.